Finality start. The Archaeological Survey of India celebrated 150 years of existence in 2012 and took up important initiatives in Cambodia, Myanmar, and Laos for restoration of temples there. The performance of our athletes at the London Olympics and the Paralympics was encouraging. My government has decided to put in place a long term plan for training of sports persons in select disciplines. My government also intends to put in place a new system for identification of sports talent from the panchayat to the district level. The Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development in Tamil Nadu has been accorded the status of an institute of national importance. Some parts of our country have in the recent past witnessed communal incidents. My government is determined to thwart any attempt at disturbing our communal peace and harmony. In July 2012, incidents of violence took place in some districts of Assam in which about 100 persons were killed. In order to control the violence, adequate army and paramilitary forces were deployed. The state government set up relief camps and provided basic amenities to the affected people. The central government announced a package of rupees 300 crore for relief and rehabilitation efforts. Incidents of left wing extremist violence have shown a declining trend. The number of deaths in Naxal violence declined from 611 in 2011 to 414 in 2012. My government is committed to dealing with left wing extremists in a comprehensive manner. It is pursuing a two-pronged approach of conducting proactive and sustained operations against extremists and focusing attention on development and governance issues in extremist affect areas. A new scheme for construction and strengthening of 400 police stations has been started in the affected areas. The first phase of the plan for improving road connectivity in 34 most affected districts at a cost of rupees 7300 crores is likely to be completed by March 2015. The security situation in Jammu and Kashmir and the northeast has shown a perceptible improvement. The number of tourists visiting Jammu and Kashmir has increased from 809 lakh in 2011 to 12.37 lakh in 2012. Compared with 2011, the number of fatalities in incidents of terrorist violence in 2012 defined half. Under the placement linked schemes named Udan, proposals of corporate houses of train nearly 25,000 youth from Jammu and Kashmir have already been approved. Under another placement linked skill development initiative called Himmat, more than 1600 youth from the state have been trained, of which over 650 have been employed. My government has accorded high priority to border management. In addition to the work of border fencing, roads and flood lighting along the borders with Bangladesh, Pakistan and Myanmar, government has decided to undertake the construction of 509 additional border outposts along the Indo-Bangladesh and Indo-Pakistan border. The integrated checkpost at Attari was operationalized in April 2012. Stuck.